like Anit, I'm also feeling blessed and rasa bukan kata happy ke? Yeah, happy lah that there are neurodivergent adults who feel comfortable to share stories with us, not just on the podcast but also on personal level. And the fact that itulah kita, if you guys tak tengok lagi the very previous episode, ini 83, watch our episode 82 bersama dengan Izzat Zaid. Banyak yang boleh kita belajar dan macam to have that relationship yang boleh jemput dia dalam keadaan yang bukannya she kind of like had a free day that time kan. She just landed daripada Thailand and I grabbed her at the airport and terus bawa datang studio. So to have such commitment, to have all everybody supporting our work, that's a blessing.